Guys, I'm back with another Taco Tuesday recipe that's super quick. Check out these Hawaiian pork tacos. Sweet, spicy, let's get cooking. If sweet and spicy is right up your alley, then you're going to love today's recipe from the Taco Tuesday cookbook. I have a center cut pork loin here that I'm just dicing up. This pork is gonna get cooked in the skillet with the pineapple, and then we add some of that spice for heat. Oh man, this Taco Tuesday is gonna be so good. In this large pan, I'm gonna heat up some oil over medium-high heat. Let's add the diced pork and the seasoning in there. And while that cooks, let's head over and start to dice the pineapple. The pineapple is gonna cook down with the pork into a sweet and savory perfection. And leftovers, if you have them, make terrific bowls over rice. Now this pineapple is gonna go inside of your tortilla, so you wanna make sure to dice it into small cubes. The pork is going to cook for about 7 to 9 minutes until it's cooked through and no longer pink. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'm gonna assemble the rest of our taco party. One of my favorite components of this taco recipe is the pineapple salsa. It's sweet, tangy, and so refreshing with the cooked pork. I also love using it on top of grilled chicken or tossed in with a salad. I definitely recommend making this ahead to save you a little time come taco night. It's good for up to 5 days, but let me just say, it usually does not last that long. If you're wondering where you can find the recipes, I'm gonna put that link right below this video for the Taco Tuesday cookbook. You're watching a video from my Taco Tuesday series where I'm cooking my way through the Taco Tuesday cookbook. So grab a copy and come along every single week. So the pineapple salsa is ready for our taco assembly. Here I have some crumbled cotija cheese, which you'll find in the Latin section of your grocery store. If you can't find it, substitute for feta or goat cheese. I also have corn tortillas, which I'm going to warm up. I tend to go for the open flame style, but feel free to warm them in the microwave or the oven. The pork is looking ready, and this is the part where we just toss in that fresh pineapple. Yep, right into the pan. And now we just continue to cook this for about 2 minutes until the pineapple has cooked down with the pork and a sauce of sorts is simmering. Guys, by now you know the drill. We're gonna place the pork and the pineapple mixture right onto the tortilla, top it with some of the pineapple salsa and cotija cheese. A little cilantro to make all this pretty. Let's give this a try. Unreal. I can't wait for you to try these. The pork is juicy and perfectly cooked. The pineapple is sweet and I can taste the seasoning throughout. So fresh. Guys, you've got to check the links right below this video for the blog post, where to get the Taco Tuesday cookbook, and if you want to celebrate and eat tacos with me every week, click on that red subscribe button. It's gonna be a party you're gonna talk about with your friends. See you next week.